Right, today we're going to be tying number 3 in the Ashley Book of Knots, which is the granny knot. It's really easy to tie. It's the one that everyone mistakes for the square or reef knot. So here we go. First of all, you get your cords, left, right, right, left. You put your right hand cord over the left, like that. Tuck it under and bring it back up. Then you do exactly the same again. Right hand cord over the left, bring it under and pull it out. And there you go. Now this is paracord, and watch what happens when I just pull the ends. Look, see how easily it slips? So one thing you do not ever use this for is climbing, because it'll be a once in a lifetime knot. So there. You can use this for like tying up parcels and things like that. 2 bits of string to tie up parcels, but that is probably about it. So yeah, it's often mistaken for the reef knot, which I will show you in another video. But there you go, and you can also tell the difference because between a reef or a granny knot is because if it was a reef knot, this end here would be going through that loop there, like that, and the same on the other side. And that is the granny knot. Now don't forget to give us a like, subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in the next video.